everyone, and welcome back to another video. So for this week's video, I am taking you out of the forest and taking you on a quick trip to my local lake. So let's go! So as always, the first bird to greet me on my walk around the lake is the coot. This place has an abundance of them and I could basically spend all day sitting and watching them. They are really curious and always swim up really close to the edge, but I was actually here looking for a different bird. After all my complaining about winter and wanting spring to come, wanting better lighting, the weather on this day was really beautiful, but it made the lighting really tricky. I spent a lot of time trying to work out good places to sit so I could actually get the light in the right place. It was the usual suspects and all the birds were enjoying the sun too, sitting out of the water and preening. It was a really relaxed atmosphere. I got my best and favorite pictures of grebes on this day as well, which was really exciting. I thought the grebes looked so mythical and majestic, like little sea dragons coming out of the lake. I thought they were really, really beautiful. To the bird that I was hoping to see and photograph the most, which was the cormorant. I really love them, especially this time of year when they get the white feathers around their head. I think they look really prehistoric and really amazing, but unfortunately because of the lighting and how far they were out on the lake, I didn't get any good shots. So hopefully next time when I come, I'm gonna get better shots. I'm really looking forward to it because I really love the cormorants. So that is what I have for you guys this week. A quick short video, a quick trip around the lake. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the photography. The sun is now coming out. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.